Now let's get into the machine. There's quite a few things that we can learn in the machine. So when we go to the feeder unit, we do have this option called automatic length of cut control. If you get that option, you can turn it on or off here. You have to have a NIR moisture sensor to do that. When you do that, you can have it adjust your length of cut based on your moisture or dry matter. I know parts of the country talk in dry matter, some parts talk in moisture. So in this example, you can see here we're at dry matter. So when the crop is wetter, we wanted to chop 21 millimeter. When it's in a middle range of 35 dry matter or 65% moisture, we wanted to chop 19. And if we get really dry, then it'll go down to 15.5. So we can really keep a good consistent shaker box sample going into the bunk this way. And it's all up to you what you want to do. We also have adjustable hydraulic pre-compression. This is now standard equipment on the new 502 Series 900. You can most of the time run it in automatic mode. In an automatic mode, it'll adjust it depending on the crop and the length of cut you're in. But in certain situations, you can run it in manual. So for example, if you're chopping corn in October and it got frosted and it's really brown or the spider mites got to it, you can switch to manual, because if you were chopping at 21 millimeter, it's going to be set on weak. And maybe you're getting a little bit of raggy cut, you've sharpened your knives, the shear bar is good. What we have seen with this, nice feature is then come in here and select medium. And that will really help, because then the feed rolls are pushing down on the crop more, holding it better, and you'll improve your chop quality, so you'll have a lot more consistent. Then the last one is our direct stop. Direct stop we can have on for hay head, so when we get metal or a rock, it'll stop us. We can adjust the metal detector sensitivity, as well as we can adjust the stone detector sensitivity. Stone detector sensitivity will vary greatly depending on the crop, the conditions, as well as your length of cut. So we don't really have a good number to recommend depending on which situation. You need to adjust the sensitivity so you get 1 or 2 false trips a day. That is a really good way to know that you've got it set to get those smaller rocks.